Dear students, I am Dr. Sasikant Tamrakar from Bharati College of Engineering and Technology. I am teaching fluid machinery in BE 5th semester. Today we will solve a numerical. A pelton will develop 8000 kilowatt under a net head of 130 meter at a speed of 200 rpm, assuming the coefficient of velocity for the nozzle 0.98, hydraulic efficiency 87%, speed ratio 0.46, and jet diameter to wheel diameter ratio 1/9. Determine discharge required. Second, the diameter of wheel. Third, the diameter and number of jet required. Fourth, the specific speed. Fifth, mechanical efficiency is 75% given. Here the data given are power developed equal to 8000 kilowatt, 8000 kilowatt, net head equal to 130 meter, speed n is 200 rpm, coefficient of velocity CV equal to 0.98, hydraulic efficiency eta hydraulic is equal to 87% equal to 0.87. Speed ratio is U1 by root 2GH is given as 0.46 speed ratio. So U1 equal to 0.46 root 2 into 9.81 into H is 130 meter. So the value of U1 comes 23.23 meter per second is the value of U1. Then jet diameter to wheel diameter, that is small d by capital D, is given 1/9. Mechanical efficiency eta mechanical is given 75%, that is equal to 0.75. Overall efficiency is given as eta overall equal to eta hydraulic efficiency into mechanical efficiency, that is equal to 0.87 into 0.75. So this overall efficiency comes 0.6525. 0.6525 is the overall efficiency here, and as we know, this overall efficiency is equal to power developed by water power developed by water power, this is equal to 8000 is power developed by water power in kilowatt is rho z QH by 1000. Putting the values here, this is 8000 by rho is 1000 for water, G is 9.81, and Q we have to find out, and this H is 130, that divided by 1000, cancelling to this 1000, this is 0.6525. From here the value of Q is calculated as 9.614 meter cube, 9.614 meter cube per second, 614 meter cube per second. This is the discharge, and diameter of wheel capital D. Next we have to find out the diameter of wheel capital D, that is U1 equal to pi dn by 60. So U1 we have calculated 23.23 equal to pi d, and this is 200 by 60. So here the value of diameter comes 2.218 meter. 2.218 meter is the diameter comes. Next, diameter of jet, that is small d by capital D, is given 1 by 9. So this is d by 2.218 equal to 1 by 9. So the value of d comes 0.2464 meter. Now area of jet, for calculating area of jet we can convert this into millimeter, that is 246.4 millimeter, and area equal to pi by 4 d square, pi by 4, 246.4 square. So this area comes 0.04768 meter square. This is in meter, 0.2464 meter. This is meter square area of jet. Now velocity of jet is given by V1 equal to CV root 2 GH. The value of CV has been given 0.98 to 2 into 9.81 into 130. So value of V1 comes 49.49 meter per second is the value of V1. Now discharge through one jet, discharge through one jet is equal to area of jet into velocity of jet, area of jet into velocity of jet. This area is 0.04768 into velocity is 49.49. So this is the discharge through one jet comes 2.359 meter cube per second is the discharge through one jet. Now we have to calculate the number of jet is equal to total discharge by total discharge through one jet through one jet. Total discharge we have calculated earlier 9.614 meter cube per second, and discharge through one is 2.359. So this number of jet comes 4.07. See, 4 jets are required for this discharge. And one more thing we have to calculate. Fourth point is specific speed. Speed is given by ns equal to n root p by l to the power 5/4. Putting the values here, n is given 200, power is given 8000, and height is 130 meter, 5/4. So this specific speed comes 40.75. 40.75 is the specific speed, ns in SI unit. SI unit. So you have to solve the similar type of questions from the book which have been asked in the exam. One question we will solve. A turbine is to operate under a head of 25 meter at 200 rpm. The discharge is 9 cubic. If the efficiency is 90%, determine first specific speed of machine, second power generated, and third type of turbine. Here it has been given that head equal to 25 meter, n is given 200 rpm, discharge Q, discharge is given 9 cubic, this is 9 meter cube per second, is shortly written as cubic. Efficiency, overall efficiency is given 90%, that is 0.9. Now this overall efficiency is equal to power developed by water power. So here this is 0.9 power developed is we have to calculate. This is P by rho G Q H by 1000. That is P by rho is 1000 for water and G is 9.81. Q is 9 cubic and H is 25 by 1000. Can you think this 1000? So P is comes 1986.5 kilowatt is the power. Now we have to calculate the specific speed of machine. NS, we have to calculate the specific speed of machine. NS equal to N root P by H to the power 5 by 4. That is, N is given 200 RPM, root P is 1986.5 divided by H is given 25 to the power 5 by 4. So this specific speed is calculated 159.46 RPM. 159.46 RPM. NS. And also we have to calculate this power generated. We have calculated earlier, and as the specific speed lies between 51 to 255, this lies between 51 to 255 RPM range. So this the turbine used is Francis turbine we have to use. Okay, so you have to solve similar type of questions from question paper and book also, and practice is most important. Thank you.